Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin, and I just wanted to today go over this brand new system that is killing the internet game right now. It's called the 10x income system. And if you haven't heard of it, let me introduce you to it. Um, so this system just started October 1st, being available to everybody. They actually did like the beta testing and everything for it back in late August and then through September, and then open it up, to the public on, like I said, October 1st. So it's been just about a month since this has been out for all of us to be able to use. This was created by a fabulous young lady named Tabby D, who is an experienced internet marketer. She has her own, actually, she has her own marketing ad company. And so she specializes in helping businesses put their product or put their business out there online through Google, Facebook ads, Bing ads, um, you know, even, newspapers and billboards. So that's what she specializes in. So she, uh, through the grace of, her own kindness and heart, actually put this system together for, uh, you know, um, people who have tried different businesses before and tried to make money online, but never really could. So what she did is she put a totally done for you business out there for all of us to use. And what I love about this system is if you are like brand new to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, or anything like that, this allows you to make some good money online. Okay, so um, her system, the 10x system, is it's totally passive income if you choose to go that route. Okay, and what do I mean by that? I mean, uh, she's actually put together a business where you can just plug and play. And what that is so everybody that joins the business pays $297 to get started in the business. And then after you do that, you have a couple of ways of where you can promote the 10x system. And let me be clear right off the bat that people ask, well, when they see this and this right here, this is the sales page. So when somebody clicks on a link about the 10x system, this is the page that they will go to. Okay, so this is the sales link that we have. This young lady right here is Tabby D, and in this little short 10-minute video that people will watch when they click on the sales page, she will explain a little bit about the business and who she is, and a little bit of why she made this business for pretty much everybody to use. Okay, she just wanted to see people have some success online. She's a multi-millionaire. She's made money online through different businesses, MLN businesses, and affiliate marketing businesses like that. She's done like the forex trading and stuff like that. But what she was finding out is some of those businesses are kind of hard to duplicate. So you would have she would get people signed up in the business because they're all excited and they're seeing the money that she's making from doing it. But she learned how to do Google marketing and ads and put stuff out there on the internet to where she was being able to drive a lot of traffic to her site or to whatever business that she was doing. So yeah, she was making a lot of money, but the people that she was getting in, weren't making the same, kind of money that she was making. And so what she wanted to do was she wanted to create a system where everybody who plugs into the system and has a little bit of patience um, can actually start earning some good income online. Okay. And so what she's done for us is, like I said, it's $297 to get started, and that's just a one-time payment. And then the only residual payment that we have is I believe it's like 20 bucks, 19.99, 19.95 or whatever, just to have our website, to get this sales page and have our website up and running. Okay, that's it. So it's $297, and then your little $20 a month that you pay to have your website and your sales page that is already done for you. Another good thing about this business is when you're brand new, you don't have to learn how to do Google Ads. You don't have to learn how to, spend hours and hours and learning how to, and even some money sometimes you have to spend to learn how to do this stuff. To even learn how to, do Facebook ads or Bing ads or, just have something pop up on when somebody's watching a YouTube video. And then when it goes to like the little commercial, actually have your business pop up. She knows how to do all of that. Okay. So we don't have to do any of that. That's all taken care of. That's all taken care of for us. So what I mean by plug and play is once you pay your $297, and I'll show you this here in a second, you have the option to buy the traffic that she offers us. Okay. And she has 3 different packages. But then what's great about that is you buy the package, they send the traffic directly to your link through her marketing company and what she does. Okay. So if you choose not to, like I said, make videos or tell anybody about it or promote it like that, all you have to do is plug and play. Once you sign up for the business, then you choose whatever traffic package that you want to buy, and then buy that traffic package, and then you let that run for 60 days while she's out here promoting your link. Then you just sit back and you collect the money. Like I said, first step is just really checking out the system, going in here and watching this video and understanding what this is really about. And you can see that this is 100% passive. There's no manual work involved. The only work that you have to do is setting up your PayPal account or your Stripe account. Those are the only 2 ways that we can get paid through right now. Maybe she'll in the future upgrade to like a Cash App or to something else, but right now it's just PayPal and Skype, or PayPal and Stripe. So that's what we have. But then here's another great thing about this. Who do you know that's a multimillionaire that's offering a business out there online that has a one year money back guarantee? Okay. You have 1 full year to get back your $297, 365. So you got 1 full year to try this out. So there's really no risk to it. Okay. And another thing is there's a lot of people that will say, done for you business, but they really don't offer the traffic or have good traffic that can actually pay. Her traffic actually converts, and I will go on the back and I will show you, what people are making, just to give you guys a little bit of proof. But once you come in here, you just come in here, scroll down, you can read about Tabby D. There she is right there. Okay. And see, like she's been around. Okay. So these are all the places that she's been on. She's been on CBS and ABC, and these are the people that have interviewed her. Okay. So you can go Google this, check it out. You can read about her in these magazines and see that she is really a real person who is just out here trying to help average people make a little bit of money online. 3-step process, real simple. 1, purchase the system. 2, you're going to activate your system. 3, if you choose to, because like I said, it's optional. If you choose to, then you buy her traffic package that she has. Then you sit back, relax, and collect the money. Okay, it's just that simple. That's it. All right. So once you buy in, here's the back office. Okay. Once you come in, this is the steps that you're gonna do to set everything up. Okay. This is great because everything's on video. You just go right here and you just watch all the videos down here. This will explain and show you and tell you how you set everything up. Okay. Here's the Facebook group. You join the Facebook group. And I'm not going to go into everything that she has right now. I'm just going to give you just a little skim surface about it. But like I said, you set up your system. If you have PayPal, set your PayPal up. If you have Stripe, set your Stripe account up. And then after you do that, then you're going to order your 10X system. Okay. They'll take a couple of days for you to get your link. If you want to, it could take up to, because it's like, understand this, guys, this is brand new. Okay. So this is working from the ground up for us right now. You can, it take about a week or so 3 to 7 days for you to get your link, or you can pay an additional $30 to get your link within 24 hours. Once you have your link, then it's up to you on how you want to promote it. Okay. Um, um, Talking about the different website changes that she's going to be doing to the system. Okay, right here. But then here's the traffic suite. Okay, you go here, and we'll go to the link. Okay, so 3 traffic packages that she offers. Okay, and guys, this is very affordable, and this is very reasonable for what we're getting. Okay, these are discounted prices because you won't be able to get this kind of traffic for these prices anywhere else. Okay, so right here you have a $5,000 pack right here. This is $60. Okay, $60. You get 5,000. They'll funnel 5,000 clicks, viewers to people who are looking to make money online. She's gonna funnel 5,000 of those people to your link that you get. Okay, for $60. That runs for 60 days too. This pack right here is $110. And then you, like I said, you get 10,000 people filtered to your site, just to your website. Okay, guys, listen to what I'm telling you. You get your link, and then she funnels through her marketing business. She is funneling people to your site. That's why I'm saying it's totally hands off. Okay. And then pack number 3, it's $200 for pack number 3, but you get 20,000 visitors that she's going to funnel directly to your site after you pay for your traffic package. Okay, it'll take a little bit of time for that, a couple of days for your traffic package, because they're literally putting in your information by hand so that everything funnels directly to your system, for one, and then 2, so that they make sure that your PayPal or your Stripe account, everything is set up right so that you get paid instantly right off of that. Okay, and then that's what you do. If you don't want to talk about it, this is what you do. You come get your traffic, or you can do both. Get your traffic, and then you can come out here and organically promote your business if you want to. Okay. And that's what I'm choosing to do, and that's what a lot of people are choosing to do. But like I said, you don't want to promote anything, just buy the traffic, sit back and start collecting your money. Okay, so let's go into the Facebook group real quick, and let me show you. Here it is, 10X income system. We'll go right here, and here's our back office. Okay, so when I got started, we were just under 1,000 people. Now you can see we're up to 1.2 K members. So this is growing. Like I said, we're at the beginning stages of this. So this is a perfect time to get into a business when it's like this, and then it's about to hit the peak up. Okay, because the ones that are in now, the ones that are in and taking action, are going to be the ones that are going to benefit from this later. Get into something early and ride the wave instead of getting into it late after it's already cresting and it's already been saturated. This is brand new. People haven't even heard about this yet. I'm sure you didn't even hear about this yet till you stumbled upon this video. Okay. But look, we're just going down here. Good morning. Happy Monday, y'all. Just wanted to come in here and share some success. When I tell y'all, I can't read it all, but look, okay. She just collected another $297 payment. Okay. And let's go right here. Recent media post. Okay. That way we can see. Let me move my page out the way. I'll put this over here so I can see. All right, just joined, okay? And like I said, it's trying to get a bag, okay? 9 out of 10 payments, first day. Look at payments, okay? These are all coming in, okay? She said, usually I'm up this morning, but I needed to rest. I said, I'm up 3 sales, grossed $891. Let's go. I'm hitting my 2K plus goal this month. Let me like that post right there. I like that right there. Okay. Like I said, now for you, go in here, check the names out. So you know that these are real people. These are not just, scammers in here. And then look at all the people congratulating. So when you start doing good and you start making some money, or you come in here, we want to see you win. So people are just excited for you. There's no hating here. There's no jealousy. People want to see other people succeed because they know that they're going to succeed with this business also. Okay. Got his first sale. Okay. Right before he was about to go to bed, check my phone and saw this blessing. God is good. Thanks, Coach Tavy D. There she is right there. All right. 10X income system. They're talking about it. Now, this is something else. I'll make another video about other ways that you can promote this business or make some additional money off of this business. Okay. Let's go here. Another $600 in less than 31 minutes, relaxing and sitting on the couch. Okay. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Passive income. You're just at home, relaxing, sitting on the couch, money coming in. Okay. One more. $297 just came to her right there, Courtney. Congratulations, all these people. Let's go here. Another from Joshua, okay. $297, okay, so he's got a couple of payments in. So he's 2 payments in. He's almost got like $600 into him. And then, like I said, we also have some experienced marketers in here too. Okay, so if I go here and scroll all, where's she at? Okay, so you can see right here, Mr. Hawkins. Okay, I follow him on YouTube too, the passive guru, and the passive income guru, excuse me. But you can see, you know what I'm saying? A couple more payments coming in, $6,000. Good first week, over $6,000 I made with this, just warming up. Okay, he's an experienced marketer, so yeah, a weekend he's probably had a nice little following. Got out there, promoted it, but the money's coming in. The money's real, you guys. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop me any questions you have about this system down below. If you guys are ready to get started with this system, let me know. I will leave my link down below. And hey, let's start winning. You guys make the end of 2021. Let's make this the last few months good for you, and going into 2022 on a high note with income coming in your pocket, residual income just flowing into you. Okay, let's get these payments. See you guys on the other side.